Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on this strange third button, so the button with 3 bars icon, I believe. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold it somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. And basically now all we have to do is to simply either tap on clear all here, or we can swipe to the very left and tap on clear all here. Basically this is the same option. Now we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.